Good evening. There are so many international days that are listed and celebrated every year. What is the importance of these international days? For example, we celebrate World Earth Day, and on June 5th, that is yesterday, we have celebrated World Environment Day. Like this, we have various days that are celebrated. What is the importance of this? The basic idea of these international days is to draw the attention of the people. It is because there is a particular issue and that issue has to be addressed and the issue has to be discussed across the population in the world so that the governments in various countries and the people in all the countries will support for a particular cause. Say, for example, June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day. What do you mean by this environment, first of all? Environment is nothing but the surroundings in which we live. And as far as this environment is concerned, we always complain that like environmental pollution. Here we have water pollution, we have air pollution, and every pollution is coming into the picture. Noise pollution, lots of pollutions we are complaining, and everything is a part of environment. But what happened now? Because of the more environmental pollution, more problems are cropping up. Right? For example, so because of the chlorofluorocarbons that are released into the atmosphere, ozone layer is getting depleted. If the ozone layer is getting depleted, obviously the ultraviolet rays from the sun will directly reach the earth. Ozone is the layer that will protect the earth, but there is no protection, and now the ultraviolet rays, UV rays, are directly reaching the earth, and that is harming the all living beings on the earth. Maybe plants, maybe animals, maybe human beings, including the marine life. Everything is getting affected, and finally, so whatever the ice caps that are present, they are getting melted, and the sea levels are increasing. If this process continues for a period of time, then slowly the entire earth will get inundated. That will be the end of the mankind. So obviously what should be done? We need to identify what are all the reasons for this environmental pollution, and we need to take measures to stop all those things. Let me just tell you one example. For the last 2 to 3 months we are under lockdown, and industries have not functioned. People are at home. So many this atmospheric changes, environmental quality has increased. So for example, if you look at the Yamuna river, for the last 15 years 25,000 crores have been spent on Yamuna river for revamping, purifying Yamuna river, but there was no much improvement. But for the last 2 months, if you observe Yamuna river, what the government wanted to plan to purify this, that purification occurred without spending a money, without spending a rupee, so that purification levels of Yamuna river increased. So it is because industries, since they did not work, no pollutants have been released into the Yamuna water. So this is the one needs to understand the concept of this pollution, and one need to understand how to protect our environment. Right? Since we are living in this environment, being the responsible citizens on this globe, we need to protect the environment, and we need to spread the awareness among the people in the country. And please remember, June 5th is celebrated as the World Environment Day. Just a moment, I'll open the document and I'll show you some point now. Look at this. The theme of the World Environment Day 2020 is a time for nature. Time for nature, with a focus on its role in providing the essential infrastructure that supports life on Earth and human development. Fine. So we have announced a special package for various courses under onlineias.com, and that comes to an end on June 7th. So that is by 11:30 in the evening on June 7th, it comes to an end. Many students have taken the admissions. I welcome all of them. And those students who are yet to get registered, please make it fast before 11:30 in the evening tomorrow. That is June 7th. And after that, the prices will get back to their this original prices. So kindly avail this opportunity and start your preparation. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you.